baby! Welcome to my world! Do you like this setup? Give it a thumbs up if you do. Today I'm doing a talk through of some interesting Nike I found at home from the Mr. So if you watch my older video, Mr. Facilitator, aka the Mr. in the house, got a pair of this Cork, what's it called? Hold on. Nike Dunk High Premium SB Black Hazelnut White blah blah blah. Anyway, so he found me this and then he said this would make a great video because it's totally wine related. This is the wine cork. So if you search Nike Dunk High Cork, this one will come up. And hey, kind of match my outfit. Hey. Pretty good, Ruby. So, this is a pretty interesting pair, and I just want to show you guys. I love it. It's not my size, but let's try them on. Wait. Okay. Ooh, not bad, eh? Not bad. Right, let's put this on. Cool. I kind of love it. Oh, hey, I think I should go out just like this. Ah, see? You match with my Cork collection. I should like put it right here. Cool. Anyway, that's all I want to show you guys. This is a Nike Dunk. Pretty old. I don't think this is a new thing, but so cool. Don't you love it? Alright, thank you Mr. Facilitator letting me showcase his shoes. Cork. It's pretty cool. Here, get your close up. Alright, that's all for this video. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I post every day there. And I'll see you in my next one.